Hello friends. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to repair this hair trimmer. This is a little bit old one. I bought this one in 2016, end of the 2016, so it's been some time now. I regularly clean this one, but I thought that due to some certain damages, like in here, I don't know whether you can see this, a little plastic piece is broken. So due to those kind of issues, I realized that it's better if I can uh, disassemble this and try to clean this and fix this again. So let's see. And I'm using some small screwdrivers to loosen the screws in here. So let's do this. And I have to say that I don't know whether you know this thing. In this kind of hair trimmer, you can when cleaning, you can disassemble this part of this hair trimmer. So what you have to do is just hold like this and push here using your thumb. Okay, you see, and you can use some brush and clean inside here. There will be a lot of hair in here if you haven't cleaned this, so you can clean inside here. So let's disassemble this thing. There are two screws inside here. I haven't disassembled these parts of the trimmer before, but I really like to do this and check. Okay, see, there are there are so much hair in here also. Okay guys, I hope you guys can see inside of this. So it's really simple circuit, right? Really small motor and really simple circuitry. Okay. Guys, unexpected problem occurs. Uh, I had two ideas when I disassembling this uh, hair trimmer. One is to fix the uh, fix the plastic piece that broken here, and to check the inner working of this hair trimmer. So the inner working checking part is uh, successfully done, but the other part, that means I wanted to check the I wanted to fix the plastic piece, broken plastic piece here. The that part is not gonna work today because I safely kept that broken piece that's gonna fit here, but now I can't find that piece. Most probably it should be uh, somewhere inside my cupboard, but I have to find that one. So for now, uh, only things that we can do is we, as I previously told you guys, we check the inner working of this hair trimmer, and we have to uh, satisfy with that for now. So it's okay, but I was hoping to do some more. So guys, before reassembling this, it's better to clean as much as possible. So I clean this in my best. So now the only thing left is to fix this back together. Okay, okay, okay. guys, let's fix this properly. So, and friends, you can see that when you fixing this little piece, this only fix in one direction. This wide piece should fix at the top of this slot, so it won't be difficult for you, but for your knowledge I just remind that. Don't rush to pull this inside, just check whether it's matching and gently assemble all the parts. See, perfect. Give me a minute. For safety, I think it's better to check before assembling all the things. Okay, it's working. Just put a battery and check whether it's working, because if you assemble everything and then you find out that something is not working, then it's really hard to disassemble everything back again, so it will be a tedious work. So it's better to do those kind of work before you assemble everything. So again, when I taking this part out, I turn this all the way clockwise and then put this out. So now I have to make sure this is in the most clockwise position and put this inside. Okay. Okay. See, this is you guys can see this is really easy work, not rocket science. If you want to clean this also, this is also can be taken out. For you, I think it's better to show this also. So let's do this one. Because if for some reason you take this out and you can't put everything back together, then it's gonna be a problem now. So this is how you take everything out. Then first you have to, okay, this, let's take this also out. So put this back in, and I hope you can see me. Yeah, so recording. So put this inside like this, then sorry, before putting this inside, you have to make sure that this part, this spring like thing, should go under this slot. So using some tool or your nails, you can push this inside. It's not a hard work. See, easy. then one at a time. Just use some pointy thing and move this upwards and one at a time. Okay. Okay, so put these pieces. Okay, you see, put these things into this